Hey guys, Veda here, and today I'm going to show you guys the practical model of the soil monitoring project using the Arduino, the code used to make it, and showing you guys the result on the Arduino open source platform. So let's get into the video. First, I'll talk about what an Arduino is. An Arduino is an open source platform used to build electronic projects like this one. It consists both a physical programmable circuit board, often referred as a microcontroller, or a piece of software called IDE, Integrated Development Environment, that runs on your computer, used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. Next, what an ESP8266 is. The ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is a device that can give any microcontroller access to your Wi-Fi network, which is why we connect the Arduino to the ESP8266, which allows the Arduino to connect to Wi-Fi, reason why we can see the readings on the screen. So first, I'll show you guys the connection between the Arduino and the soil sensor. So for this project, you need a bunch of items like the Arduino, the ESP8266, the soil sensor, and a bunch of 1-pin connectors. On the ESP8266, connect one of the pin connectors to the TX pin, the top left corner, the ground pin just below the TX pin. For the other two pins, you have to connect two female pin halves to one male pin connector, like this. And lastly, you have to connect one pin connector to the RX pin to the bottom right corner. And now for the connections in the Arduino, you have to connect the custom made wire to the 3.3 volt pin on the Arduino. You have to connect the ground wire on the ground pin of the Arduino. You have to connect the TX pin to the 0.3 of the Arduino. And finally the RX pin to the 0.4 of the Arduino. And now for the soil sensor, connect one connector to the VCC pin, another to the ground pin, and finally to the A0 pin of the soil sensor. And now for connecting that to the Arduino, connect the VCC pin to the 5 volt pin of the Arduino, connect the ground to the other ground on the Arduino, and connect the A0 pin on the A0 pin on the Arduino. And that's how you connect the Arduino and ESP8266 to the soil sensor. So this is the Arduino open source platform where you can write the code for this whole project to work. So in this project right here, you have to create the value variable. So this part right here sets the whole thing up and it runs only once, while this part like here, which is void loop, keeps on running and keeps on showing values that the soil sensor is outputting. Sensor data are the words that will pop up on the screen each time a new value occurs, and with the sensor data, the value will be next to it. And that is the coding for the soil monitoring project. Now I'll show you guys the result. So now, using the Arduino open source platform, we can use it to check the result. So right now the readings are showing 0 because the soil sensor is not in contact with anything. But when you put the soil sensor into a glass of water, see, now it shows readings like 72, 75, etc. That's how the soil sensor works. And that's it guys. In the next video, I'll be talking about water management, what it is and its benefits. So I'll see you guys in the next video.